In the quiet suburb of Plain City, a chilling mystery unfolded this summer, one that still sends shivers down the spine of its residents. An infant, now known as Madison Jane Doe, was found in a trash can. Her life abruptly ended before it had even truly begun. The autopsy report, released by Madison County Coroner Dr. James Cayer, revealed a haunting tale of myriad injuries and abnormalities, any one of which could have been lethal. Yet the exact cause and manner of death remain undetermined. The investigation, a high-priority case for the police, is fraught with challenges, each one seemingly more insurmountable than the last. The state of Madison's remains has proven to be a significant obstacle in identifying her parents. Coroner's investigator Bob Gibbs explained that the first step would be to send the DNA sample to the Ohio Bureau of Criminal Identification, hoping for a hit on a possible relative. If this search proves fruitless, the remains and the DNA sample would be held until a standard for comparison from family members could be found. But this process is far from simple. It often hinges on someone coming forward with new information. Without dental records or other tangible evidence, identification becomes a waiting game. Gibbs expressed uncertainty as to why officials weren't more forthcoming, but the investigators remain adamant that identifying Madison Jane Doe remains a top priority. The lack of information, however, has not deterred the community from mourning the loss of this innocent life. Madison Baby Doe was given a funeral and a miles-long procession before finally being laid to rest in Forest Grove Cemetery. Yet, despite the outpouring of grief, the case remains shrouded in mystery. Plain City Police Chief Dale McKee stated that the case is still being actively investigated, with all information being sensitive to the case. The Madison County prosecutor has requested that no sensitive information be released, for fear of jeopardizing the case. The community is left in limbo, wondering and waiting for answers. So the question remains, who was Madison Jane Doe, and what happened to her? The answer lies out there, perhaps even within the knowledge of someone watching this video right now. If you have any information, no matter how insignificant it might seem, it could be the missing piece in this complex puzzle. Remember, it's often the smallest details that crack the biggest cases. So don't hesitate. Share what you know and help bring justice for Madison Jane Doe.